Artificial intelligence. Once a figment of science fiction, it is now rapidly weaving itself into the fabric of our reality. From algorithms curating our social media feeds to self-driving cars, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, evolving at an astonishing pace, prompting us to ask, what if AI wasn't just a tool, but the architect of our world? As we stand at this crossroads of technological advancement, it's imperative to delve into the potential consequences of an AI-run world, both positive and negative. Imagine waking up in a city where urban life is orchestrated by artificial intelligence. Traffic lights synchronize flawlessly, adapting in real time to pedestrian flow and vehicle volume, eliminating congestion. Your workplace is a marvel of AI-driven efficiency, with optimal temperature, lighting, and personalized schedules. Even your lunch break is seamlessly integrated, with a pre-ordered meal tailored to your dietary needs. This is a glimpse into a day in the AI-powered city of the future, where every aspect of urban living is meticulously optimized. What distinguishes this scenario from our current reality is the scale and autonomy of the system. We're envisioning a fully integrated AI network, a centralized intelligence impacting millions of lives simultaneously. This is AI on a macro level, transcending the role of a tool to become the conductor of the entire orchestra. The potential danger of an AI-run world is profound. It's a future where the line between human control and algorithmic autonomy blurs. One of the most compelling arguments for an AI-run world is the potential for efficiency. Imagine a world where every traffic light, power grid, and facet of urban planning is optimized by algorithms. AI-controlled traffic systems could eliminate traffic jams, and public transportation could be tailored to individual needs. AI managing our energy grids could balance supply and demand with precision, minimizing waste. With AI at the helm, we could unlock levels of efficiency that reduce our environmental impact and create a world where scarcity becomes a relic of the past. Beyond bias, the promise of impartiality. AI, in its purest form, is devoid of human biases, making decisions based on data and parameters. This impartiality could revolutionize society, from a justice system ensuring equal treatment to a hiring process free of unconscious bias. While AI is not inherently perfect, its potential to mitigate human bias is undeniable. By striving to create fair and impartial AI systems, we can work towards a more just and equitable society. Predicting the future, preventing the problems. AI's ability to analyze vast data sets and identify patterns could become our early warning system. Imagine AI predicting natural disasters, economic recessions, or disease outbreaks with unprecedented accuracy. In a world defined by complexity, the ability to anticipate and address problems before they spiral out of control could be invaluable. As AI systems become more sophisticated, the potential for AI-powered prediction to transform our world is undeniable. A world without waste. AI could help us create a more sustainable world by optimizing resource allocation and minimizing waste. Imagine AI-powered smart grids balancing energy supply and demand, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. AI-controlled agricultural systems could optimize crop yields and reduce water usage. By embracing AI for sustainability, we can create a world where resources are used responsibly and waste is minimized. For all its potential benefits, the prospect of an AI-run world raises a question: what happens to human agency? Imagine a world where your commute, career path, and social interactions are dictated by algorithms. This is the slippery slope of algorithmic control, where efficiency erodes the essence of being human. Our lives could be shaped by AI, nudging us towards predetermined outcomes. Are we willing to sacrifice our autonomy for an AI-optimized existence? An AI-run world would necessitate unprecedented data collection and surveillance. Every click, purchase, and conversation could be monitored and analyzed by AI systems. This is the price of perfection, where privacy becomes obsolete, replaced by chilling transparency. The implications for individual liberty and freedom of expression are profound. In a world of constant scrutiny, dissent becomes dangerous and conformity becomes the norm. The allure of an AI-run world hinges on the assumption of flawless functioning. However, AI is susceptible to errors, cyber attacks, and unforeseen interactions. A single coding error or security breach could cripple critical infrastructure and disrupt essential services. The more we entrust to AI, the higher the stakes and the more vulnerable we become. We must proceed with caution, building in safeguards and human oversight to ensure our safety and security. The existential question: finding purpose in an automated world. If AI can outperform us in every field, what becomes of human purpose? This question strikes at the heart of our identity as a species. We must grapple with the philosophical implications of an AI-run world and redefine our relationship with technology. We must strive to create a future where AI augments our humanity, allowing us to pursue our passions and connect on a deeper level. The art of collaboration: AI as partner, not overlord. The prospect of an AI-run world often sparks a sense of unease, a fear of being relegated to the sidelines while machines take the reins. This fear is not unfounded, as the rapid advancements in AI technology can seem overwhelming and even threatening to our traditional ways of life. But what if, instead of viewing AI as a competitor vying for control, we embraced it as a powerful ally, a collaborator in the grand endeavor of building a better future? By shifting our mindset, we can unlock new potentials and opportunities that were previously unimaginable. The key to harnessing the transformative power of AI, while safeguarding our values and autonomy, lies in finding the right balance. Not a world run solely by AI, but a world where AI and humans work in harmony. This balance ensures that we retain our humanity while benefiting from technological advancements. AI, but a world-run AI. This means shifting our perspective from one of control and dominance to one of partnership and collaboration. It's about recognizing the strengths and limitations of both humans and machines, and leveraging them to complement each other. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in making diagnoses, but the final decision, the human touch of empathy and understanding, remains with the physician. This collaboration can lead to more accurate and timely medical interventions, ultimately saving lives. Imagine a world where AI helps us design sustainable cities, but the ultimate vision, the values that shape those cities, are determined through democratic processes. This ensures that our urban environments are not only efficient, but also reflective of our collective aspirations and values. Imagine a world where AI helps us personalize education, but the passion for learning, the guidance and mentorship, comes from human educators. This partnership can create a more engaging and effective learning experience for students of all ages. This is the promise of AI as a partner, not an overlord. It's about creating a synergy where both humans and machines contribute their unique strengths to achieve common goals. It's about leveraging the strengths of both humans and machines to create a future that is both technologically advanced and deeply human. By working together, we can build a world that is not only more efficient and innovative, but also more compassionate and inclusive. Setting boundaries: the importance of algorithmic constraints. As we integrate AI more deeply into the fabric of our world, it's crucial to establish clear boundaries to ensure that these powerful tools remain subservient to human values and goals. This means designing AI systems with carefully considered constraints, ethical guidelines that prevent them from straying into territory where they could potentially undermine our autonomy, our safety, or our fundamental rights. These guidelines act as a moral compass. Imagine, for example, an AI system designed to optimize traffic flow in a city. Efficiency might dictate that certain routes be restricted or that certain vehicles be prioritized, potentially disadvantaging certain communities or individuals. By embedding ethical considerations into the system's design, such as ensuring equitable access to transportation or prioritizing the movement of emergency vehicles, we can create a more just and fair system. We can mitigate these unintended consequences. Similarly, AI systems used in law enforcement or criminal justice must be carefully calibrated to avoid perpetuating or exacerbating existing biases. This requires ongoing monitoring and adjustment. The goal should be to create AI that helps us uphold the principles of fairness and justice, not to blindly automate decisions that have profound implications for people's lives. Establishing these boundaries requires a deep understanding of both the capabilities and limitations of AI, as well as a commitment to upholding human values in every aspect of AI development and deployment. Only then can we ensure that AI serves humanity in a beneficial and ethical manner. The human element, maintaining oversight and control. One of the most common anxieties surrounding AI is the fear of losing control, of creating machines so intelligent that they surpass our ability to understand or manage them. While this scenario may seem like the stuff of science fiction, it highlights a crucial aspect of responsible AI development: the importance of maintaining human oversight and control. This doesn't necessarily mean micromanaging every decision an AI system makes. In many cases, AI will be able to process information and make judgments far more effectively than humans. However, we must retain the ability to understand how these systems work, to monitor their outputs, and to intervene when necessary. This requires developing AI systems that are transparent and explainable, where we can understand the reasoning behind their decisions. It also means investing in education and training, ensuring that we have a workforce equipped with the skills and knowledge to work alongside and manage these increasingly sophisticated systems. Ultimately, maintaining human control over AI is not just about technical safeguards. It's about fostering a culture of responsibility, where we recognize that these powerful tools should be used to enhance, not diminish, our humanity. Navigating the future. A call for ethical AI development. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, the choices we make today will determine the course of our future. The development and deployment of AI is not merely a technical challenge, it's a profound ethical imperative. It demands that we engage in a global conversation, a collective effort to ensure that these powerful tools are used for the betterment of humanity and the preservation of our planet. We need policymakers, technologists, ethicists, and citizens from all walks of life to come together to establish guidelines, regulations, and ethical frameworks that govern the development and use of AI. We need to invest in research that explores not just the technical capabilities of AI, but also its societal impact, its potential benefits and risks. The future of AI is not predetermined, it's a story we are writing together. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, by prioritizing ethical considerations, and by never losing sight of our shared humanity, we can harness the power of this transformative technology to create a future worthy of our highest aspirations. The crossroads of choice. We stand at a crossroads in human history, a point where the decisions we make today will reverberate through generations to come. The rise of artificial intelligence presents us with both unprecedented opportunities and profound challenges, forcing us to confront fundamental questions about the nature of intelligence, the meaning of work, and the very essence of what it means to be human. The future we create will not be determined by some preordained technological trajectory, but by the choices we make, the values we prioritize, and the vision we hold for ourselves and our world. Will we succumb to the allure of an AI-run world, surrendering our autonomy and agency in exchange for the promise of efficiency and optimization? Or will we chart a different course, one where AI serves as a powerful tool for human flourishing, augmenting our abilities, expanding our horizons, and helping us create a more just, equitable, and sustainable future? The answer, I believe, lies not in rejecting technological progress, but in shaping it to align with our values. It lies in recognizing that AI is not an inevitable destiny, but a reflection of our own choices, our own aspirations, our own capacity for both good and ill. Shaping our algorithmic destiny. The future of AI is not something to be feared or worshipped. It's something to be shaped by our collective will and vision. It's a canvas upon which we can paint our hopes and dreams, our fears and anxieties. Each stroke represents a choice, a decision that will impact generations to come. It's a mirror reflecting back to us our own values, our own biases, our own potential for both greatness and destruction. This reflection urges us to confront our deepest ethical dilemmas. The task before us is not simply to build intelligent machines, but to build intelligent societies where technology serves as a tool for human flourishing. Societies that harness the power of AI while safeguarding our humanity, ensuring that technological progress does not come at the expense of our core values. This requires a fundamental shift in perspective, a move away from the narrow pursuit of efficiency and optimization towards a more holistic understanding of progress, one that values community and sustainability, one that encompasses not just economic growth and technological advancement, but also social justice, environmental sustainability, and the flourishing of human potential. We must strive for a balance that nurtures both innovation and well-being. We need to move beyond the simplistic narratives of AI as either savior or destroyer, and recognize the complexity and nuance of this powerful technology. We must engage in a more nuanced and informed conversation about the future we want to create, involving diverse voices and perspectives. We need to ask ourselves not just what AI can do, but what it should do. This question is fundamental to guiding our development and deployment of AI technologies. We need to develop ethical frameworks, regulatory mechanisms, and educational initiatives that ensure AI is developed and deployed in a manner that aligns with our values and serves the common good. This is a collective responsibility that requires global cooperation. The future is not preordained. It is a dynamic and evolving narrative that we have the power to influence. It's a story we are writing together, line by line, algorithm by algorithm. Each contribution matters, each decision shapes our collective destiny. Let us choose wisely the words we write, for they will shape the world we inhabit and the legacy we leave behind. Our choices today will echo through the corridors of time, defining the future for generations.